Okay, well, here's the TX4B after I replaced the Drake filters with this blue paper, this blue filter paper or mylar that I have from England. Again, this stuff is really close to the original color. And again, for reference, this is Lee filter, Andover, England, number 172, and I bought this off of eBay. And I got a lot of it. A lot of it. So anyway, to change the filters in this TX4B or T4XB is not too bad. You gotta take off these two back screws again, just like the TR4, and put the filter in there. What I found with this radio was this PTO or VFO was not completely straight, so I found the mylar circle here was rubbing against the frame a little bit, and so I unloosened the two screws holding this up. There's three screws, one holds it here, two hold it here on the bottom of the radio. So I loosened up these two and was able to wiggle it just a partial degree, a little bit to the left or that way, and that lifted the mylar off of the frame, so that was a good thing. Anyway, that one's easy to change. The meter one is not so easy to change. Here's the old Drake filters. This one wasn't as bad as they usually are. It didn't have a burn mark in the middle, but you can see along the edges where the blue is still there. The meter has this one, and the way it works, and look at where it has the burn mark in the middle where the dye's all gone. There, you can see it right there. So it was pretty much putting a white light through. But the way you put this one is you take the meter out, and the meter comes out very delicately. You don't have to take off the front panel, but you just take off this nut here, and you can pretty much hold this down with a screwdriver or just push the frame on that head and it won't spin when you take it out. It's hard to do though. And then take off this nut down here and then detach the pilot light first. And then be careful and not hit the RF tuning here, but you can then move the meter back, and then the meter itself will pop out of this frame, and then you'll find there's a piece of mylar or film like this, and it simply goes along the meter pretty much like this. It is inside, and one end is on the top and the other end's bent down like that inside the meter. And that's, well, here I can do it from the front better. So inside the meter, it just kind of wraps around the meter to cover all possible ingress of light. But as we know, probably the primary thing that matters is the thing in the corner where the bulb is. So anyway, that's how to get your TX4B kind of looking like a Drake, I suppose, back in the day, back in the 60s. So there you go. I'm not sure I like the blue over the incandescent, but oh well. The pros say it's what the Drake used to be. So, oh yeah, and I have LED bulbs in here, the best Chinese bulbs. Actually, I can't say they're the best. These are from eBay. So I have LED bulbs in here that are really bright, and hopefully this will cause the radio not to heat up. Well, these are getting a little hot. I can feel some heat on those. And maybe it's the photons that actually wear down the mylar dye. It may not be the heat, just the photons beating on the mylar. So who knows? But anyway, it'll probably last another 20 years. And I probably won't use it that much. Anyway, thanks for watching. And hope this inspired you to get your Drake looking like a Drake. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day.